Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many developers face when working with Flutter. Have you ever run into the problem where your command prompt closes immediately after running the Flutter Doctor command? If so, you're not alone. This can be frustrating and confusing, especially if you're new to mobile app development. In this video, we'll explore what causes this issue and provide a step-by-step solution to fix it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand why your command prompt is closing prematurely and how to resolve the problem. Let's dive in. So what exactly happens when you run Flutter? Doctor, this command checks if your development environment is set up correctly for Flutter. It verifies that all necessary dependencies are installed and configured properly. The issue arises because the command prompt is being closed before it has a chance to display any output or errors. There could be several reasons behind this behavior. One possibility is that there's an error in your path environment variable, which prevents the command from executing correctly. Another reason might be that the Flutter SDK isn't properly installed or configured on your system. Perhaps the command prompt itself has some settings that are causing it to close prematurely. To fix the issue, we need to identify and address the root cause. Here's what you can try. Firstly, make sure that your path environment variable is correctly set up. You can do this by checking if the Flutter SDK bin directory is included in the path variable. If not, add it manually or reinstall the Flutter SDK. Secondly, verify that all necessary dependencies are installed and configured properly for Flutter development. This includes having the correct versions of Java, Android Studio, and other required tools. Lastly, check your command prompt settings to see if there's an option set to close the window after a certain amount of time or when a specific condition is met. You might need to adjust these settings to prevent premature closure. To illustrate this process, let's consider an analogy. Think of running Flutter Doctor as trying to start a car engine. Just like how you need to ensure that all necessary components are in working order and properly connected before the engine can run smoothly, we need to verify that our development environment is set up correctly for Flutter to function properly. In summary, if your command prompt closes immediately after running Flutter Doctor, it's likely due to an issue with your path variable, Flutter SDK installation, or command prompt settings. To resolve the problem, verify and correct your path environment variable. Ensure all necessary dependencies are installed and configured for Flutter development. Check and adjust your command prompt settings as needed. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the root cause of the issue. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this explanation helped clarify things for you. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the points discussed, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and consider subscribing for more content related to mobile app development. What do you think? Have you encountered this issue before? How did you resolve it? Share your experiences in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.